This is the Schrade SCHF56LM Small Frontier Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife, one of two models in the SCHF56M series. A beastly backup to your primary bushcraft blade, the SCHF56LM excels at helping the handler take on any and every task on the schedule. With a blade forged from 3/16 of an inch 1095 high-carbon steel and a total full tang length of 9.16 inches, this sidekick is fully capable of most every medium-duty bushcraft task. With a razor-sharp 4.38-inch, full fine edge and drop point tip, this blade has the capability to be exceptional at the finer detail work as well. Designed with wet conditions in mind, the coated blade steel resists corrosion, and the two-tone gray and black micarta handle slabs work to channel moisture away from the skin for a secure grip. For additional safety, the included lanyard hole allows for a lanyard to be attached when desired. When not in use, the SCHF56LM rides in a black thermoplastic belt sheath that supports multiple carry options thanks to the removable reversible belt loop. The included ferro rod with elastic safety strap and holder ensures that wherever the trail leads, fire will be within reach at all times. Designed for bushcraft tasks and everyday chores, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime, this is the SCHF56LM Small Frontier Full Tang Fixed Blade Knife. Find the SCH56LM with 4.38-inch full fine edge and the SCHF56M with 3.44-inch full fine edge online or at your favorite local retailer.
Hey, I'm Nate Barr, creator of the Pocket Monkey, here today to tell you about my latest creation, Wildcard. The pocket knife needs to evolve. It's an essential tool, but it's bulky, it's one more thing to remember in the morning, and it easily falls out of your pocket and is lost. I wanted something better. I asked, why not put a pocket knife in my wallet? It'd be easier to carry and harder to lose. So I set out to design a knife that'd be as thin as possible, and the result is Wildcard. It's only 2 millimeters thick, only slightly thicker than a credit card. I was able to do this by reimagining the blade pivot. Most knives have a pin pressed through a hole. Wildcard has a pivot unlike anything in the world. I call it fly-off technology. The 3 wings of the pivot allow the knife blade to remain rigid to the body, a necessity when wielding a sharp tool. For safety, I designed the blade to lock open and to lock closed. The blade tucks neatly under 2 blade guards, and it angles only on one side, so users can't accidentally cut themselves when carrying a closed knife. And here's the best part about this design. The blade is detachable. I designed this with the forgetful traveler in mind. When you go through TSA with your traditional knife on you, you lose your knife. But with Wildcard, you only lose your blade. And on our website, you can replace it for only a few dollars. With Pocket Monkey, I used a monkey to represent the personality of the tool. With Wildcard, I kept that trend going. Wildcard has a wolf cutout that doubles as a bottle opener. The wolf embodies the nature of the tool, agile yet powerful. I wanted to pack as much functionality as possible into Wildcard. Many people misuse knives in place of other tools like screwdrivers and pry bars, harming themselves or breaking their knives. So I added these tools to the knife. I always wanted to challenge convention. Because of that, I spent the last 6 months trying to reinvent how this product is manufactured. Every manufacturer I talked with was hesitant to produce such an aggressive design. The solution I kept hearing was take this to China, but that isn't something I'm willing to do. I want to create products that embody the American spirit of innovation, and my solution was to create a manufacturing facility in Maine. Now we control every aspect of production, from laser cutting to packaging and shipping, so we can manufacture the highest quality product while creating jobs in our community. Help us make Wildcard a reality, and help us continue the American spirit of innovation.
This is the Grylls Tinderbox. It has a grater-like steel cutting surface for making tinder and a tray underneath to catch the shavings. After shaving wood into the tray, push the button for easy removal of the tinder. Next, empty the dry tinder contents onto the collected items you'll be burning. Never start a fire in the collection tray. If your matches are wet or your fire starter is not handy, use the tinderbox's magnifying glass to ignite the tinder. When finished, place the plastic cover over the cutting surface for safe storage. An emergency signaling mirror is located on the underside, and the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide is also included. An innovative lightweight lifesaver. This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox.
Life is full of exciting milestones, but even the ones you expect can happen before you're ready. InGear's auto safety tools prepare you and your loved ones in an auto emergency, giving you instant peace of mind. Auto Escape by InGear is the most advanced self-rescue tool of its kind. Its military-grade aluminum body is both waterproof and impact-resistant. Its powerful front LED projects 135 lumens on high and boasts a 28-hour SOS mode. Auto Escape allows you to quickly get out of dangerous situations. Its high carbon steel blade instantly slices through seatbelts, and two separate steel tips allow you to easily smash through glass. An included easy access mount keeps Auto Escape within quick reach, ready when and where you need it. As your loved ones hit the open road, trust that Auto Escape's exceptionally equipped auto safety features will keep them safe and out of harm's way. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
Hi, my name is Stuart Yo. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is my backyard. I've grown up exploring these mountains, camping, backpacking, fishing, and skiing. When you're in the wilderness, a variety of jobs can come up, but you need to be picky about your gear when every ounce counts. I realized I needed a lightweight tool that could do multiple tasks. I'd like to introduce the Spar tool. The Spar tool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. Spar tool weighs less than 3 pounds and is constructed from spring-tempered 1075 carbon steel and shatterproof Zytel polymer. Its solid build has no hinge or other moving parts, making it lighter and more durable than the competition. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke. The blade splits wood apart. The saw rips through just about anything. And of course, it digs like a champ. The Spar tool is perfectly balanced, making the reverse end just as useful. It hammers. It unhammers. The spike excels at demolition. The pry bar is tough and versatile. And it opens up your favorite beverage after all that work. Spar tool is a great addition to your gear kit, whether you're on the road, in the wild, at home in the garden, or in case of emergency. The Spar tool design phase is complete, and tooling for manufacture of all metal components is ready. We need your help to fund production of injection molding equipment and to fill our first order so that we can bring Spar tool to market. Want to help out but not ready to commit? Check out our Spar Kit Survival Tin. It's packed with useful goodies that could save your life in an emergency, or more likely, help you MacGyver a solution in your everyday life. Thanks for watching my video. Spar tool is proudly 100% American made, and I hope you'll support us in bringing you the ultimate outdoor survival tool.